The search for the fugitive Pastor Apollo Quiboloy continues, and with a 10 million peso bounty hanging over his head, the National Police Force is now getting more and more leads on his possible location. Julie Baiza with that report.
Since the wanted poster was released and the 10 million peso reward money was announced for the arrest of Pastor Apollo Quiboloy, the Philippine National Police started receiving more information about his potential whereabouts.
Hindi naman natin tatanggapin kaagad-agad po ito. Baka meron po doon ay nililigaw naman yung ating focus. That is not impossible, sir, na baka meron dyan na talagang tatawag para lang sabihin na nandito, para lang iligaw yung ating mga investigador at ating mga operatiba. That is why we are carefully validating the information being provided by those people calling po yung ating hotline.
The police say they see nothing wrong with offering reward money for information on Quiboloy. DILG Secretary Benher Abalos had earlier said that the fund was raised by private individuals who are dismayed about the slow pace of the case.
We have to also remember this is not the first time ay private citizen ay nag-offer po ng reward. Alam po natin pag may mga heinous crimes, even yung mga families po ng victim na mga civilian po ay nag-o-offer po.
For Vice President Sara Duterte, it's the government's rights to offer reward money. It can be recalled that the Vice President questioned the excessive use of force in serving the arrest warrant against the pastor, who is a close friend of her family.
Right man na siguro sa ato ang gobyerno and sa DILG nga magpagawas og rewards para sa mga wanted na mga tao kanang mga dunay warrant of arrest.
There is also speculation that Quiboloy is now in China, but the PNP believes that the pastor is still in the country.
There is also a possibility na dumaan po siya sa backdoor, pero lahat po yan ay bine-verify pa po natin. But as we speak po, naniniwala po tayo na there are indication at na nandito pa naman po yung mga hinahanap natin.
The PNP is also studying whether former President Duterte can be held liable for saying that he knows Quiboloy's location but refusing to reveal it. Former presidential spokesperson Sal Panelo says Duterte was only joking, but the PNP said this is not a laughing matter.
Well, with due respect po sa ating mga Pangulo, probably all of us knows po yung ating personality po ng Pangulo, pero yung mga ganito po na seryosong mga bagay po ay sana po ay hindi po natin ginagawang biro. Wag po nating kalimutan na yung kabilang parte po na sumisigaw po ng hustisya, may mga batang allegedly di umano ay minolestya at naging subject for trafficking. This is very serious matter po, very serious offenses